Bunny. Your kitty got a bunny. Just ran across the lawn. Just ran across the lawn. He's got a.
Did the bunny run away?
No, he's right there in front of him. He had him in his.
Alive or dead?
There.
Una! Hey, Dunstan. Come here, Una. Let that bunny go.
Oh, he's gone by now, I bet.
I hope so.
Yeah.
You get up in the yard and leave that baby bunny alone.
I'll be the third one if you get this.
Oh, yeah, because I found one in my garden. Shut up. I think they're living under the roots of the tree.
Oh, Dunstan, you be quiet. I remember you from yesterday. You didn't do what I asked you to do, did ya? Did ya? You didn't do what I asked you to do yesterday. Don't bark at me. Don't bark at me. I'm your buddy. I'm your buddy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Don't bark. All right, I'm done.